Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone supports Apple Pay and has current iOS. That reduces errors. Open Wallet, tap the plus sign, then scan or type your card details. You do this now because adding a card early lets you test payments immediately. Once you submit, follow the bank's verification prompt, often a code or app confirmation, and accept the issuer terms. When the card shows in Wallet, you're ready to move on to actual payments. Once your card is in Wallet, practice at a contactless terminal. Wake the phone, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold the top of the iPhone near the reader until you see Done and a check mark. For newer models, double-click the side button to bring up Wallet quickly and switch cards before tapping. In apps or on websites, select Apple Pay at checkout, confirm the shipping and billing details, and authenticate to finish the transaction. To complete the process, review receipts shown in Wallet and in your bank account so you spot issues early. If you use transit, add a transit card for express rides and set your preferred card in settings under Wallet and Apple Pay to avoid selecting each time. Make sure contactless terminals are ready and you keep the iPhone close during the transaction. If something goes wrong, update iOS, restart the phone, and as a last resort, remove and re-add the card. That usually clears verification errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.